Welcome from channel Our Knowledge and Research. In this video, I will share you about HP 2023 Newest Pavilion X360 laptop and HP X3000 G2 wireless mouse that are using popularly in the world. Let's review them together. HP 2023 Newest Pavilion X360 laptop, 2-in, 114-inch FHD IPS touchscreen, 10-core Intel Core i5-1235U, 8GB RAM, 1TB SSD, backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader, Windows 11 Home, bundle with JAWFOAL. HP X3000 G2 wireless mouse, ambidextrous 3-button control, and scroll wheel, multi-surface technology, 1600 dpi optical sensor, Win, Chrome, Mac OS, up to 15-month battery life, 28Y30AA #ABA, black. 1. About the HP 2023 Newest Pavilion X360 laptop. Processor 12th generation Intel Core i5-1235U, 10-core, 12th gen Intel Core processor distributes performance where you need it the most, saving you time and increasing your ability to do the things you actually want. HP laptop. Display 14.0-inch diagonal, FHD, 1920 by 1080, multi-touch enabled, IPS, edge-to-edge glass, micro-edge, crystal clear visuals with 178-degree wide viewing angles, HIGCAB, Yomiet. Sound audio by Bang & Olufsen with dual speakers. HP dual speakers, custom tuned by experts at Bang & Olufsen, awaken your senses with PC audio perfection. Upgraded up to 8GB RAM, smoothly run your applications, as well as multiple programs and browser tabs all at once. Up to 1TB PCIe SSD boots up quickly, get to files faster, and have room for loads of files with the quick solid-state drive. Windows 11 Home, from a rejuvenated start menu, to new ways to connect to your favorite people, news, games, and content. Windows 11 is the place to think, express, and create in a natural way. 2. About HP X3000 G2 wireless mouse. Comfortable design, contoured, wireless optical mouse with 3-button navigation and integrated scroll wheel lets you be productive all day using either hand. Multi-OS, 1, multi-device optical mouse, and gives you the freedom to work or play from almost anywhere. Wireless convenience. Go cordless with 2.4 GHz USB-A connectivity that keeps you connected up to a range of 30 feet. Multi-surface performance. Be ready for anything with blue LED multi-surface technology that's smooth, lag-free movement on virtually any surface. 2. Precision control. 1600 dpi optical sensor provides reliable mouse tracking, exceptional speed, and pinpoint accuracy that can be customized to match your working style. Dependable power, with up to 15 months of use on a single AA battery. 3. This HP wireless mouse is designed to push the limits and work as hard as you do. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.